ẹ máa try láti gbé sáárín. Ok jùwọ́n ó jẹ́ pé side bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó yẹ gbé ẹ try láti gbé sókè dáadáa báyìí. ṣó wà láàrin báyìí ó mọ̀ ipá máa need láti fi measuring tape rule a máa need láti fi measure ẹ̀ so. So how does the 1-to-1 scale of the Ferrari, though it is actually not 1-to-1 scale, I think it is maybe 70% scale of the original Ferrari. You know why I said that? Because the height is actually not the real height for the project, and I am very, 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 very sad about this. I actually gave the person the measurement, and also I think maybe the fault is with me though, so I think maybe the fault is with me. But I think I am going to be redoing another one, but this one we actually stay as the real image of the, you know, so as the real illustration of it. I'll just like keep looking this one for the, maybe for the vibe, and also, you know, to check some, you know, some fabrication aspect of the car to this. So this is actually it, and though the length is correct, though the length is maybe 13 feet in you know, in length, but is actually the problem, and use it for, you know, to fabricate what I want to do. So I'm going to be doing another one, but this one will actually be there. This one will be there.
I like to trace all the edges of your name, like a map that leads me to nowhere. Oh yeah, I'm so close to let go of the world. Oh no, need to be wherever you are, so take me there. No compass, no light.
So now basically I am almost done with my the coverage of my garage, and actually I have been doing all this myself, and also with my with my little brother's help. Though it looks, I am not satisfied with it, but at least I can manage for now, for the time being, at least before I am sure I'm going to upgrade later. But for now, I am some part done, though I haven't done the the door aspect, because I really want this place to be very closed, to be very closed. And also, like, I am done with this aspect though. You can see how it looks. This is actually because of the type of wood I bought. And the back wood I bought, that wood is very, it is curved. So that is why the tie rod, after like hammering the tie rod to the wood at the back, that is why it actually, it is not straight, but at least it can do the job for now. And also, there's still another thing I need to do, like under the ground, on the ground aspect. You can see all the space, all the empty space there. I still need to find a way to cover. I still need to find a way to cover, and so I am thinking of using the block and cement just to cover in case when there is rain. So that is actually what I am thinking about. And also, it still has, there's also some space here. So I'll be using I'll be using block to cover everything and cement. And also, what do you think about this almost one-to-one scale of the Ferrari image? Though the image is not one-to-one scale, and I am very, very sad about that. Though it is actually the height that has problem. The height is maybe 3 feet, and the real height is supposed to be like 4 feet, but the length is actually normal though. The length is normal. So I think this is actually one of the progress I've made. And also for the lightning, I have actually bought some lightning. There's actually one I am using right now. This, and I have already mounted some on the roof of my garage, like this one, and it's actually two, and this one also. So making it two, and also I've bought this also. This is actually two, and first one is actually warm and the second one is white. Both are actually 30 watts light, and this one is 50-watt light, but I prefer this one under than this. But so now, for the light to be able to show, I need to cover the I need to cover the front aspect of the garage, so it can be very closed, and the light will have to take a great effect, including my film also. So that is actually what I'm planning to do. But now I am low on funds. I just have to continue with my project now, because soon I am planning on advancing to the fiberglass aspect of the car. I just have to do the fiberglass body frame of the car, and that is kind of hard. But I want to make sure I am almost done with my garage before even if I am done with the door aspect. I want to make sure I am done with the door aspect before I continue the fiberglass aspect. So that is actually what I've been thinking. And there will actually be still more light in this garage. There will be very more light in this garage, because this 3 light I bought, including this one, won't be enough. So I'm still planning on using more light. And also for this place, for this trampoline place that looks rough, I am planning on using maybe a plywood, a plywood to cover, and then maybe I'll paint it a satin black color. That is actually what I've been thinking. the satin black color is very like, is I love it. I love how the satin black looks like. So that's actually what I'm planning to do about all this. So guys, this is Damian Motorized. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to comment your opinion about this progress on the garage, and also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys.